Guys, I'm gonna show you how to get $1 million in your bank account in the fastest way possible. And no, this isn't no bullshit. Just stick with me till the end and you'll see exactly what I am talking about. It takes the power of one skill, e-commerce or selling products online. Check this out. This is flippa.com. It's basically a place where people can sell their online stores or buy online stores. This online store right here sold for $140,000 and was making $4,191 per month. Now let's think logically here, right? When I sell products online, I make sure that I have at least a $20 profit per sale. So if they were making $4,000 per month, that means they were selling only 7 units per day and ended up selling their online store for $140,000. So say for example, you created 7 online stores in a span of a year or less, depending on your work ethic, and you sold each one for $140,000. That's $1 million. Now check out this store right here that sold. It was making $330 profit per month and sold for $7,000. They were probably only selling like 1 to 2 units a day, if that. The skill of e-commerce can make you millions of dollars. I told you it wasn't BS. So if you're ready to learn, go ahead and comment Ecom below. Let's chat and see if I can help you.